Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today just welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in.
As I turn out all the lights, all I want from you is to listen and remember the good times.
The wig I'll be installing is from Beaufox Hair. It's 4x4 body wig. Watch the unboxing and the installation of this hair. And gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like it here, subscribe and don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you get the notification each time I upload. Let me bring the hair out for you guys to see. Okay, it's 24 inches. 26 inches. They use this to shaping the wig. Let's remove this from it. Then there is a net also. Why is the net? I think there is a net in it. Okay. Here's the net. This is 4x4. Came with some combs in here and inbuilt adjustable strap as usual. And there's a comb at the back. Both forks. So I want to twist the hairline little to make it look more natural. Okay, if that makes sense, then I'll come back and show you guys the after. Alright,
yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming.
So I'll fold it into two like this. I'll fold it equally, and this is my center. All right. So this is where I'll follow. This is so long. Okay, it's just up to this place. So this is my perfect center.
I close my eyes, it's gonna run.
I want it to be very, very flat. I sprayed my airbrush legs on the lace. You see the color. So this is it. In case if it is your first time here, this is what I use. Okay, because I did not bleach the knots. Guys, this is it on. So I'm going to bring out some baby hair. See here. Let me pack. Hold the hair.
At first I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. I get to it first I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up.
I'm cutting it in a zigzag form. I don't want it to be straight line.
Going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going. I get to it off the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day. Cloudy days turn to sun rays. Only way to way up way. Know my way, know my feng shui. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going. office, I'm a different car keys. I'm the life of the party. Might buy a bike like a Harley. Totally do so gnarly. God got me, can't harm me. I got armor and an army. Battle scars, battle smartly. Just forever like a Sharpie. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last.
I don't want it to be chunky, so.
Get it that I'm never going back. Up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going. Get it that I'm never going.
So I'm going back to my gel. You guys know I use gel to install my wigs. So I'm going to use gel to install this wig. I'll use styling gel. I don't want to glue it, so I'll just put the styling gel like this.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning.
If you are OG, you know
where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing.
so I'm going to tie it down.
Hearts, typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking.
You see how the hair comes freely, doesn't tangle. Wow, it's nice.
Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more, one more, one more, one more day.
Ooh. Wow, it's so tight.
No, I can't go one more day.
So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Don't forget, it's from Beaufox Hair. It's 4x4 lace wig, 26 inches, and it's body wave. Alright guys, see you guys in my next one. Ciao.
Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back.